Merry Christmas! This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. I'm Niece Maria, and today we're doing an unboxing on Christmas Day. Snack crate. Today is Israel.
Yay!
So, fun facts. Israel is the only country in the world that has more trees today than it had 50 years ago. Coffee and cafes are so good in Israel that it's the only country where Starbucks failed trying to break into the local market. Israel has the world's highest rate of university degrees on a per capita basis.
Wow.
The Mount of Olives in Jerusalem is the world's oldest continuously used cemetery. Pet lovers in Israel created the first ever US cable channel for dogs.
Wow.
It is scientifically programmed to keep dogs entertained and comforted while they are home alone.
Hey.
Those are great fun facts.
Those are, yeah.
Shalom.
Side.
Lady, come here.
Side.
Come here.
Ooh, falafel and
Smoky.
smoke. It was smoky. Hey. Ooh, looks like mango. Mm-hmm.
Hi, lady.
Next we have
Bamba.
Ooh.
Peanut butter puffs. Mmm.
and we have
Click. Click. Ooh. Right up your alley, Maria.
we have milk chocolate coins.
Ooh.
What did you win?
And we have
Mmm, that looks good. They look like Pop Rocks.
some candy
Okay. Oh, wow.
and this is the other weird one.
Oh.
We have chocolate.
Right up your alley again, too, Maria.
Some more chocolate.
Mmm. So instead of Kinder or Hershey's, theirs is Click.
And some more candy.
Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when subscribing to Snack Crate, where you get boxes of snacks from around the world. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.